Hi guys! Today we are learning how to create a DeepSeek account. First, unlock your phone and download the DeepSeek app from your device's app store. Once the installation is complete, open the app to begin creating your account. When the app opens, you'll see several ways to create an account. You can continue with Google, Apple, or sign up using your email and password. Choose the option that works best for you. In this tutorial, we'll use Continue with Apple. Simply tap this option to continue. If you're using another method, just follow the on-screen instructions for that option instead. Next, read the terms if you'd like, then tap Agree to accept them. This allows you to continue with the account creation process. Now tap Sign Up at the bottom of the screen. If you're using Apple, verify your identity with Face ID when prompted. After the verification is complete, your DeepSeek account will be created successfully, and you can start using the app right away. And that's how you can create a DeepSeek account in just a few simple steps. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe and leave a comment below for more easy tutorials.